Find the inverse of the following 3x3 matrix A by using the adjugate formula. The adjugate formula, that's given by A inverse equals 1 over the determinant of A times the adjugate matrix of A. The adjugate matrix of A is equal to the matrix of cofactors transpose. To get our cofactors, so the cofactor for the ijth entry, that's going to be given by, we take minus 1, raise it to the I plus j power, so that's just row number plus column number, and then we multiply by the minor for the ijth entry, which is just determinant. Take our matrix, cross out the ith row, jth column. Okay, so this is just mostly a large exercise in bookkeeping. So let's see how this goes. So first, we go for adjugate matrix of A. Now, I'll leave the transpose where it is. First step, put in the minus 1 to the I plus j pattern. So it always starts with a plus sign in your upper left-hand corner. Okay, that's 1, 1, so it's always a plus. And then we just alternate. So plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So that takes care of all of our signs. Next step, we have to fill in with the determinants of the matrices where we cross out the ith row, jth column. So for instance, if we took, say, this entry here, okay, that's going to correspond to here. So we cross out that row, cross out that column, I'm left with 3 minus 1, 1, 0. Okay, and then straight bars mean take the determinant. So you'll need to do 8 more of those. When you take that, crunch this down to numbers, then we can take the transpose. That's going to give us this matrix here. So that's our adjugate matrix for A. If you wanted to check at this step, A times the adjugate gives you the determinant times the identity matrix. Now, determinant of our original matrix, how do we get that? Well, since it's a 3x3, we can just multiply down diagonals, 3 to the right, 3 to the left, take the difference. But you'll note here, we have zeros in 3 entries, so most of those diagonals are just going to produce 0. So what comes out of our determinant is just going to be a minus 2 that comes from this diagonal here. All right, so I take our adjugate matrix, divide every entry by a minus 2. That gives us our inverse. Of course, we check our work. So I take A times A inverse or A inverse times A. Defining property is going to be what comes out better be the identity matrix. So if I take A times A inverse, okay, we crunch it out. You'll notice identity matrix comes out, so our check works.